Music intro. Hello friends, I'm Cole Wheeler. Today I'll show you how to use Display Driver Uninstaller. Here it is. Let's open it. And before we get started with it, you'll need to go to the control panel. Yep, let's head in. Next, go into Backup and restore and create a system backup. Absolutely, that's step 1, and step 2 is to switch to safe mode. This will require you to restart the computer, and once it reboots, go into safe mode. Okay. Next, we select our graphics card, choose the device, choose the GPU. In my case, it immediately detects it's an NVIDIA. Also, here in the log, yes, it says GPU detected, which means a graphics kernel was found, specifically an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 in my case. So I'm choosing NVIDIA here. Yes, you might find it detects some other driver or adapter depending on your graphics card manufacturer. Okay, and then you'll select delete and restart here. After that, the drivers will be cleaned up and the system will reboot. If you want to change your video card, let's say you've suddenly bought a different one, then you select remove, clean, and turn off here to install the new video cards. Right. However, if you just clean without rebooting, you might get a black screen. This is quite a serious problem because if you do get a black screen, it's unclear how you'll turn your computer back on if you don't have an integrated graphics core. Exactly. You can also uninstall audio drivers here. Yes, and generally the same principles apply. So that's everything for now. Sample Wheeler. Bye everyone.